Alright, it's demo time on 912 Arapahoe. So this has been a really fun project for us. Lots of friends, family, just lots of people coming together on different days to get this place cleaned out. We all kind of went after it. This lath and plaster was the biggest challenge in our initial demo. Just cleaning out the plaster, knocking off the lath behind it, and just opening up the space so we could kind of see what we had. After we got the kitchen all cleared out, cleaned up a little bit, the space began to open up. We still had a few more walls to knock out, but we're pretty excited. We realized we could probably salvage the flooring, which is some old oak flooring, and some of these old timbers that were used we're going to reclaim and reuse later as well. Got the bathroom cleared out. We're going to rearrange that as well, and this was a fun discovery. When we were taking off the brown paneling in this room, we discovered brick behind the walls we didn't even know was there, which started a long, tedious process of chiseling the plaster off of any brick areas we could find. And this is the back bedroom after we got all the plaster off. Next project was getting the old linoleum and 1/4-inch plywood that was on the top of these beautiful wood floors. So as we got that stuff up, we began to piece together how we were going to redo the flooring, and then we found some more brick here in the kitchen as well. Then we moved to the outside and started taking off the brown stucco on the outside of the house, and this was a tedious process, but again, fun. Lots of friends worked together to come over and just help us get all that plaster off. And the old cabin started to come back alive. Next big project was to knock off the back porch and begin demolition on the roof, and had a bunch of guys over. We had a great time doing this and celebrated at the end of the day with some beers on the roof. This was gutting the bathroom in the basement and clearing everything out, and the next was the ceiling to see what was in the roof. And so this is where DT Contruct came in and helped us start taking the roof apart, and we found these old timbers, old shingles from the original 150-year-old cabin that was here, and yeah, we were able to pull off the whole roof here and discover some more brick and figure out how we were going to support putting a second story on this guy. So that's it for now. More to come as we start to put this back together and turn it into the old, from the old to the new. Thanks so much.